Yeah, hi everybody. So last time my system completely died on me because I died that many times during the game. Um, so I think I got the lockpicks as it was dying. So we'll see where we end up. A few repairs later, something's happened. Right, turn round, get in there. I'm sure the cat's in here somewhere. Where are you? I can't hear you. Right, I'm going for it. Yeah, we know that's dead, thanks. Let's see if we die. We died. Definitely died. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. This game takes so long to load. Go, 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 go. Please open the door. You want to do me a favour and get through the door, yeah? Wolfie's there. Wolfie's definitely there. Oh, this is going to be hard without the iPad. This is going to be so hard. It's fine. It's fine. We can get there. We run from the cat, and then we hide from Wolfie. They're both there! Oh wow, they're both there. Oh my god. A complete hour of me trying to get back to Ben's room. Brilliant. Oh my god. Both there. We'll just get to Ben's room. This whole episode is just going to be getting to Ben's room. Brilliant. Okay. It's fine. We can do this. We can get there. Woo. Stop. Please. Oh, go away! Right. Maybe that's not the strategy to take. Just run on out there. Okay. We'll hide. We'll just hide. Right. So we're in here now. I don't know if I'm going to make it. I could just die again. Not sure. Get in. Ah! Don't get in there. It's fine. We'll try again. Still have the lockpicks, it's fine. Right. Here we go. In we go. Oh, bloody hell. We're going to do this step by step. Step by step. We'll open the door, hide, and as soon as it goes quiet, we'll run back. Oh, this is so much harder with two. So much harder with two. Okay, off we go again. Fucking run, straight ahead, straight ahead. Right, now. Okay. Come on, someone's got to come in. There we go. I would have if I could see where they were going. Oh my god, the cat's coming in now, isn't he? Do I leave? Do I not leave? Please turn. Look up. Get in. Oh, I've made it this far. I have made it this far. Oh, wow. Just wow. That's all I can say. Oh, God. Go away. I need to get to Ben's room. Please? No, he's coming. He's coming. Oh, God. Oh, wow. This game is a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Let's try again. Let's try again. And again. And again. Yay. Right. Going in here. Because that seems to be all I can do. Again. Where are they? Don't know. We'll go and find out. Torch, please. Thank you. Run! Get in there. Where are they? Turn that off. I ain't going all the way to open that door and then stepping out and have them jump scare me again. No, 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 no. Get in there! Uh-oh. And yet again. Okay. We're going to leave that one there. And hopefully, when I come back, I'm going to be in Ben's room. Charging the laptop. Or whatever it was called. iPad. Okay. Bye.